In this guide, I'm going to show you how to configure your Hostinger mail quickly and easily. Whether you're creating a new email for personal use or setting one up for your business, this walkthrough will help you get everything running smoothly. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Hostinger's homepage. You can type Hostinger into the search bar or enter the URL directly if you already have it bookmarked. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and click on the login button to enter your account. After you sign in, you'll be taken to the Hostinger H-Panel dashboard. This is your main hub where you can manage websites, domains, and of course, your email accounts. To make sure you're at the starting point, click on the Home tab if you're not already there. Now look for the Email section. This is where all your email tools and settings are located. Click on it, and on the next page, choose Email Accounts. Here you'll see a list of your existing accounts, plus the option to create new ones. If you're setting things up for the first time, locate the Webmail option and click on it. This will open the Webmail interface, allowing you to send and receive messages directly inside Hostinger. To confirm everything is working perfectly, compose a new email and send it either to yourself or someone you trust. Then check your inbox to make sure the message arrived. This quick test helps verify that your Hostinger email is fully set up and ready for use. With your email now configured, you're all set to communicate professionally and reliably. Hostinger's interface is simple to navigate so you can manage contacts, organize folders, and handle messages without confusion. If you ever plan to add more accounts for team members or connect your email to other devices, the same steps apply, making future setups even faster. Having a properly configured email is essential, especially for businesses that want to appear organized, credible, and easy to reach. Following these steps ensures you avoid common issues like login errors, sending failures, or misconfigured mail settings. It also helps keep your communication streamlined, which is crucial when dealing with clients or managing important updates. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple, clear, and beginner-friendly guides just like this one. Enjoy using your Hostinger mail with confidence and efficiency.